My phonics superheroes and my reading superstars. Welcome to day 19 of my Phonics Boost. Well done on all of your hard work so far. I am so proud of you, but we've still got some more to learn. So let's turn our phonics brains on, our superhero listening ears, and let's get learning. Right, my phonics superheroes, because we've been doing these sounds for a few days now, I'm not going to sound them out, just you. Do you think you can do it quicker? Do you think you can do it even quicker? You ready? Amazing, well done. Now we're not going to forget these sounds. Want to hear you? Do you think you can do them quicker? I know you can. Excellent. Now I'm going to put these sounds all together. See if you can do them. Excellent. Well done. Now, of course, we're not going to forget these sounds. Do you think you can do them quicker? Off we go. Excellent. And we're not going to forget these ones. Are we ready? Do you think you can do them even quicker? I know you can. Amazing. What a lot of sounds. Well done you. Now, the sound that we're going to focus on today is the sound. And the sound is a long sound. Right, let's practice saying it. Excellent. Now we've practiced saying the sound, let's find some objects that use the sound. Right, my phonics superheroes, inside my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are we ready? Oh no, my magic box is empty. I think we need some phonics magic. Can you remember our magic words? Yes, that's right. We say hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's say it together. Hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's see if it worked. Phew. So, yes if it starts with the sound, no if it doesn't. Are we ready? Lemon, yes. Horse, no. Ladder, yes. Umbrella, no. Lion, yes. Right, now I'm going to put them all back in and I'm going to lift them up even quicker. Do you think you can do it? Are we ready? Oh, excellent. Well done. Now we're going to practice our oral blending. Right, for our oral blending, we need to make sure that our superhero listening ears are turned on. I'm going to sound out each word and I want to hear you say it. Are we ready? G. Log. P. Lip. G. Leg. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words. Right, my reading superstars, the first time we do our new all words, I'm going to sound them out first, then I want to hear you joining in. Are we ready? O, o, g, log. Your turn. Log. O, I, p, lip. Your turn. Lip. O, e, g, leg. Your turn. Leg. Right, now we've done them together once. Just you. Log. Lip. Leg. Excellent. Are you up for a challenge? I know you can do it. Our challenge word today is laptop. My turn first. O, a, p, t, o, p. Laptop. Your turn. Laptop. Excellent. Your turn again. Laptop. Well done. Right, now it's time for a rewind and go over some of the words we've been looking at over the last couple of days. Now, because we've done these ones before, just you. Hat. Hug. Excellent. Now this word, we've done it twice now. Let's see if you just know it. Fox. Right, I want to hear you. Fox. Excellent. Now, our new tricky word today is he. 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 Excellent. Let's see if you can remember our tricky words we've already been learning. They. Of. We. Excellent. Right, let's do them together. They. Of. We. Excellent. Let's put our new one in. We've got he. Want to hear you. They. Of. We. Oh. He. Excellent. Well done on your reading today. Right, my phonics superheroes, we're nearly at the end of day 19. Well done you. Before we finish, we're going to go through our focus sounds and then play our little game. Now, we've been doing these sounds for a few days, so just you. Do you think you can do it quicker? I know you can. Do you think you can do it even quicker? I think you can. Amazing. Well done you. Right, I'm going to take away a sound. See if you can work it out. Are we ready? Which one was missing? Do we know? Right, so let me see. I'm going to take another one. See if you can work out which one's missing. Which one was it? Oh, and we're going to take one more sound. Let me see. Which one's it going to be? Which one was missing? Excellent. Well done. You finished another day. Well done you. Give yourself a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3. Well done me. And I can't wait to see you again tomorrow.